Are you getting ready to embark on your journey to take the CILA Certificate CH2 Claims Handling exam? Are you wondering what's covered in the course book and what study options are available? I'm Sue Taylor, and in this Sitting with Sue Insurance Questions Answered podcast, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the key areas you'll need to study for the CH2 exam. I'm a long-standing member of CILA, an experienced trainer and a well-established author of insurance texts. I've actually contributed to much of the new CILA exam material, though just to be clear, I don't have access to the actual exam questions, so there's absolutely no point in kidnapping me. The official study material provided by CILA is divided into 12 chapters. These lessons guide you through the structure of an insurance policy, including policy conditions and warranties. You'll spend time exploring various perils in more depth before moving on to key areas such as claims validation and negotiation, reasonable care, which is covered in Chapter 6, mitigation of loss, the exclusion of gradually operating cause, underinsurance, then repudiations, and also fraud detection and prevention, and then finally financial crime. The first place to start is with the course book itself, as the multiple choice exam questions are based on it. You should also visit the website to download the syllabus and assessment criteria, which will help guide you through your studies. Now, if you're wondering how you're going to balance studying with a busy work schedule, client visits, commuting, or even parenting, or if you're someone who struggles to learn just by reading, my CH2 self-learning video revision course might be just what you need. This course allows you to multitask and learn on the go. Just pop in your headphones and let your ears take the strain. It includes audio lessons, summary slides to help jog your memory, and a bit of fun in addition. Ted the Bear, who asks helpful clarifying questions throughout. One recent student even told me the course helped them cut their written notes by half. To find out more or access the course itself, just head over to my website www.suetaylor.co.uk. Ted and I wish you the very best of luck with your exam.